Alright, so in my last video I showed you guys how I use the string floss to floss my teeth, but this method doesn't always work best for everyone, although that is my favorite method just because you have the advantage of really adapting to the tooth, hugging it nice and tight, and cleaning it well. I feel like it does the best job, and you're able to use the clean piece of floss for every single tooth versus like the floss picks that you are essentially, unless you're getting a new one for every tooth, you're kind of cleaning it and then putting it into the next tooth. I personally like to have floss picks like in my purse. I leave a pack in my car because I eat lunch in there, and I just feel like it's convenient and easy. It's great for patients that have like arthritis, things like that. They don't have the dexterity to get back and really adapt to the tooth, so those are easier and those are better than nothing. Like if you're more apt to use those and it's that versus not flossing, obviously those are better than nothing. For kids, they're a great way to learn to floss. You can still kind of like push against the side of the tooth, but I would say if you're noticing like a lot of plaque coming out or blood, then switch out to a new one. You don't really want to reinfect another tooth with that kind of bacteria. That's one other alternative for flossing. Another one is the proxy brushes or interproximal brushes. Now, if you have maybe periodontal disease or bone loss, a lot of spacing between the teeth, those are really great. They have different sizes, so you can kind of get a variety of different sizes and figure out what's best. I like to use those for like behind the molars. They have ones that are kind of bent, so it's really nice for those harder to reach areas. So that's another way to get between your teeth and clean them, because that's a goal. And lastly, we have the water pick. Water picks are really popular. They're convenient. They do take a little bit of practice. I'll show you the one that I have. It just looks like this. It's a portable one, and keep it in the shower because it's a little bit messy, but you want to trace the gum line inside and outside. Water picks are really great for braces, for implants, for bridges, all of those kind of things. Crowns, I really like the water pick. So I say, it doesn't replace flossing, but if you're willing to add a step to your routine, the water picks are really great.